Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple cards to your TOURPASS in Alipay. But before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about importation, you'll get notified and you'll watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or Pindodo, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And if you will also like to join my premium class whereby I teach you how you too can be an independent importer, all you have to do is to contact me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. So let's get started. So like I said earlier guys, I'm going to teach you the easy way by which you can add multiple cards to your Alipay TOURPASS. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to log in into your Alipay. You can see from the screen right here. Then the next thing you have to do when your Alipay open up like this, so you need to tap on TOURPASS right here. So I'm going to click on it. Alright, so the next thing you have to do when your TOURPASS open up like this, so you need to tap on this place here. Just click on here. Then this option will pop up. So the next thing you have to do is to click on bank card. So the option here is to add a new bank card. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on here. Okay, click on that. Alright, so your card needs to either be Visa card or MasterCard or JCB or American Express and the rest. So these are the types of cards that are accepted by Alipay TOURPASS. So after you have met up with the type of card accepted, so the first column here is where you enter your card number. Here you enter your month and expire date. Here you enter the CVV 3-digit code at the back of your card. Once you are done, then you click on confirm. So now you can see that the card has been added successfully. So from then you can now switch from one card to another to top up in your Alipay TOURPASS. So let's see how we can top up our Alipay TOURPASS with a new card. So we have to go back home. So the next thing you need to do is to click on top up. Then you can decide to top up with 100 RMB. So I'm going to select 100 RMB. Now you can see that the card, the new card that was added has been effect, right? So the next thing you have to do is to scroll down and click on top up. Boom. So you can see that you are able to add additional 100 RMB successful to your account. If I click on OK now, so it will take me back to my TOURPASS. You can see the current balance here now is 208.4 RMB has been successfully funded in this account. So I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you can be a successful importer, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link from 1688, Tahoba or Pindodo, you can as well reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.